This is Code Combat. I'm working on Cupboards of Kithgard B. If you're doing it as a class, it's Introduction to Computer Science. It's level 14B, and this is the Python version. Goals: break open the cupboard. Under 7 statements. You can perform any action before a while true loop. Hero move up, while true, hero attack proc. Okay. Anything that starts with a hashtag is actually a comment. So that's for us. The computer ignores it. There may be something around to help you. Fine. First, move to the cupboard. Okay. That looks like we'll have to go right. Down. Right. Let's see if that gets us close to it. It's kind of hard to keep track, so I hit run a lot to test my code. Wait a minute. What about all these guys? Whoa. Can I get to... That, not good. Go to the cupboard, maybe? Okay. Down. Hopefully... maybe there's a big sword in there? Alright, that should get us to the cupboard. And then... I'm moving. Go away. Oh, not enough. Alright. To go down again, I'm just going to put a number in here instead of writing it twice. I find it easier. And then attack. And make sure to capitalize it, cupboard, because they have it capitalized right over here. Alright, that should do it. And then are we going to attack the guys? What are we going to get out of this? That doesn't look... not good. Oh, then use a while true. Okay, while... So, we're going to move the attack, then attack the cupboard inside this loop. And what this will do, we're not just going to hit it once now, because it's a loop. If I write hero to say hi and hero say bye, that will happen forever, as long as it's indented. Our hero would say hello, our hero would say goodbye, it goes back around, hello, goodbye, back around, hello, goodbye, forever. So this is a while true loop. Since this is indented under the loop, our hero is going to attack the cupboard, zoop, attack the cupboard, attack the cupboard, attack the cupboard. I wonder then if we're going to like get a sword out of it and then fight, or let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we have a bodyguard. Looking good. Oh, perfect. We did it. Great.